Hello everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Jatin Best and I am working as a user experience designer at Usher. You might be wondering how a user experience designer brings value to the table and ensures the success of a project. User experience design has become the most important factor in determining the organization's success in terms of market share, customer satisfaction, and customer retention. Everyone wants to improve their product and end user experience in order to compete. So, how can we define a good user experience design? A good user experience design is anything that meets the user needs and allows them to do their task with ease while fulfilling the business needs. So, how should the project's key milestone be planned? Understanding the project's need and target groups is the first step to get started. This gives an idea of time taken by each milestone to cover up in the project. After that, the timelines are set along with the buffer time. How do I begin with the UI UX research to meet the project objectives? Following the step of understanding the user needs and target groups gives an idea of what to research and what not to. So what comes after we complete the UI UX research? After we complete the research, we brainstorm solution with the team, create user flows, information architecture, and high fidelity wireframes to finalize the flow. After the flow is finalized, we then work on design systems and create visual designs by following the design guidelines. What I think will be the next trend in UX design. According to me, immersive design, in which a user immerses themselves in a new world, will be the next trend. As we all know about augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality, and of course, metaverse will be the next trend. I hope this session was useful in understanding the role of a user experience designer in the success of a project. Thank you for watching the video.